Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the essentials. Turn the ignition to on and switch the FZS V3 to its Bluetooth/Y-Connect pairing mode so the bike becomes discoverable. On your phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth, then launch the Y-Connect app. Grant permissions when prompted. If you use a helmet intercom instead of Y-Connect, put that headset into its pairing mode now. Once both devices are discoverable, make sure they are within 1 to 2 meters of each other, so the signals lock in reliably. You'll now link the phone and bike through Y-Connect. Tap Add Vehicle or Pair Device and follow the app prompts to start scanning. On your phone's Bluetooth list, select the entry that matches Yamaha or FZS V3. The app and bike will display or request a PIN. Confirm the same number on both devices. Once paired, allow the app to access notifications, contacts, and media so call and music routing work. If firmware updates appear, install them. They fix stability and compatibility, so make sure you update. You finish by testing. Place a call, play music, and start voice navigation to confirm audio routes to the bike or helmet. Once verified, save or lock the connection in Y-Connect and enable auto reconnect so the phone pairs automatically next time. If audio is low, adjust volume on both phone and helmet intercom. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, power cycle phone and bike, clear prior pairings in both Bluetooth lists, then repeat pairing. This removes stale profiles that commonly block a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.